Alright, let's talk about using instructions and directions in the simple present tense. When giving directions, remember to use clear and concise language. For example, turn left at the intersection or go straight for 2 blocks. Instructions in the simple present are like a recipe. They tell you what to do step by step. In everyday life, the simple present tense is like my trusty sidekick. It helps me talk about my habits, routines, and regular actions. From brushing my teeth to walking the dog, it's always there. But wait, there's more. It's not just about me. I can also use it to state universal truths, share scientific facts, and make generalizations. So, whether I'm talking about the sun rising every day or how water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, the simple present has got my back. It's like the superhero of grammar, always saving the day. Ever wondered how we talk about future events that are scheduled or planned? Well, let me tell you, it's all about using the right tense. When we say, the train leaves at 5 p.m. tomorrow, we're using a specific tense that helps us describe events that occur according to a timetable or routine. It's like having a crystal ball into the future, predicting what's going to happen. So, next time you're planning something exciting, remember to use this tense to make it sound official and on point.